much is this item? This item is $20. Okay, here's $20. Thank you, here is the item. Thank you so much. How much is this car? This is $20,000. Okay, I would like to buy it. Here's $20,000. Oh no, it's $22,000 with tax. Okay, here's $22,000. Oh no, it's $23,000 with dealership fees. Okay, here's $23,000. Oh no, it's gonna be more than that. Oh no, how much is the total gonna be? Well, let's go inside and talk about the price. Why can't you just tell me outside? Because it depends on a lot of things. Just tell me so I can buy it. Are you paying cash? Are you financing? Are you married? Are you divorced? Do you have kids? How much money do you make? How is your credit? How is your credit history? Are you over 26? Are you over 36? Are you over 46? Are you over 56? Are you Jewish? Are you Muslim? Are you Christian? Are you black? Are you white? Are you Asian? Are you Hispanic? Oh my god, stop it. I will go somewhere else. Okay, no problem. Just give me your number so I can call you every day for 7 months.